This morning was a rough start. Clock is like 4:30, 4:45, and I hear this sound. And it's my dog. He's puking, so I'm just rushing out of bed, but I'm too late. So he's been puking all over the floor, on the carpets and everything. It's looked like a whole mess, the whole living room. And then I have to go out and chase the birds. The geese are here on the lawn, pooping all over the place, so get rid of those. And then once he pukes a second time, now in a different part of the house. So what's going on? So this is like a really great reason to get angry and upset. But you could also look at it this way. I got up early. You have this absolutely wonderful morning. I fired up the vacuum cleaner. I cleaned the whole house. I steam clean the whole floor, get rid of everything, clean the carpets. And then when I'm at it, I go out and start 2 washing machines. And now it's breakfast time and all this has been done and the house looks really nice. And then I realized, oh, good boy Gibson. It was a really good thing that he puked all over the floor. Because if he hadn't done that, I would not have cleaned the house this time in the morning. You have to shift your perspective and look at things. And you can find something really beautiful in a pile of poop. Or puke, I mean. It's all a matter of perception and how you approach the situation. So this could have been a really bad start of the day, but instead I started with a smile on my face and a clean house. Have a wonderful day.